So keep up the good work, okay?
And sometimes it can be colored red, blue, green, and orange.
I'm Kit Bergman, and I am a kindergarten and first grade teacher at CIS. I have been in the district for 20 years, and I hold a master's in reading as well as a reading specialist credential. My typical day includes live instruction with my elementary students. I open up our morning meeting with an ukulele greeting. Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Singing a song to the kindergarten through third grade students. We go over our schedule, we do some mindfulness, and I answer any questions that we may have. Did you ever see a goose chasing a moose down by the... We also do our in-person day once a week. And so something that happened during the pandemic with remote instruction is that students were not getting the social skills. They weren't able to practice it. And so with this one day a week, it's a voluntary day for students to come in and work with each other. It's been so rewarding for me because I've been able to see them grow up, and I've made a lot of connections with those students and their families to help the students meet success in all their subjects. Somebody who has impacted me as a mentor was our program specialist for the past couple of years, Harmony Cano. She really helped to design our program and lead us as teachers to make the program that it is today. LCAP benefits our students here at CIS as well as students in the district because it allows flexibility and also gives access to all students no matter what their needs are.